Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making vegetable spring rolls that are just exploding with flavor. Crunchy, sweet, spicy, salty, all that umami. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video and in the description box below. Let's start with a dash of sesame oil and a wok. We'll immediately add in dried chili flakes, sesame seeds, salt and pepper because we want to slightly toast them first and extract their flavors. Then we'll add in our chopped onions and let them cook until slightly transparent before adding in our carrots. Quick note here, it's really important that you keep in mind the order in which you put the vegetables in. Carrots take longer to cook, so we'll add those first. Leave the vegetables that take less time to cook for last because we want to preserve a little bit of the freshness and the crunch from the vegetables and not to have them too soggy and overcooked. Add in the parsley, the garlic paste and ginger paste. Add in the cabbage and chopped canned mushrooms. Drizzle in a splash of soy sauce gradually because you don't want it to be too salty and overbearing in taste. It's optional, but if you like to add in more umami, add a sprinkle of MSG or Ajinomoto and salt and pepper to your liking. If you want to add a final flavor kick, add in some sweet and spicy chili paste. In my case, I had some homemade spicy chili jam on hand that paired perfectly with this dish, so I added in a teaspoon because it was super spicy. Add in a dash of fish sauce, but if you don't have that, you can do without it, no problem. Finally, add in some chopped green onions, stir it to mix for a minute, then take the pan off the stove. Keep in mind that you need to make a flour and water slurry to help seal the spring roll and keep it tight and put together. Now I'm not great at wrapping a spring roll, so you'll have to excuse me for that, and I also had to ask for help from a professional wrapper later on. Not to brag, but those were the best spring rolls I've ever made. They were perfect for me. Just listen to that crunch. I did some ASMR for you. Serve with some sweet chili sauce and soy sauce on the side for people to dip the rolls in and enjoy. Thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen and have a great day. Bye!